Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add mask in Lightroom. So what is mask? So masking is basically, in Lightroom, is a feature that allows you to selectively edit specific areas of a photo. It lets you create adjustments that apply only to the chosen part of an image, enabling more precise control over your edits like exposure, color, contrast, etc. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, you'll have to choose the photo that you want to add masking to. For example, I'll choose this photo. Now to add masking to your photo, simply select the masking option right here. And you'll be able to use the masking feature. But since I don't have premium version of Lightroom, I'm not able to do it. After this, what you probably will see on your screen is that you'll have to choose a mask type like brush, radial, linear or color. After that, you'll have to select the area that you want to edit and make adjustment to it, and you'll have to save the edit. And just like that, you'll be able to use the masking feature on Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.